Mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle, Disappearances, Science and Legends. Welcome to the channel Chronicles of the Forgotten. In this video, we are going to explore the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle with disappearances, science and legends. Somewhere in the vast Atlantic Ocean lies a region shrouded in mystery, a place where ships vanish without a trace, planes disappear from radar, and compasses spin wildly out of control. This is the Bermuda Triangle, one of the world's greatest unsolved enigmas. Deep in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean lies a region that has baffled scientists, sailors, and pilots for decades. A place where ships vanish, planes disappear, and myths are born. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, one of the most mysterious places on Earth. First, need to know, what is the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle is a mysterious and loosely defined area located in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. It spans roughly 500,000 square miles, forming a triangular shape between the points of Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Often referred to as the Devil's Triangle, this region has captured the imagination of many, but it is not officially recognized by any government or maritime authority. Despite the lack of official status, the Bermuda Triangle remains a focal point for countless theories and speculations. The legend of the Bermuda Triangle, it can be traced back to the 1960s when writer Vincent Gaddis coined the term, bringing widespread attention to the area. However, the fascination with the Bermuda Triangle dates much earlier, with numerous unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft recorded throughout the 20th century. These disappearances, often shrouded in mystery, have led to a wide array of theories, ranging from natural phenomena like methane gas eruptions to more fantastical explanations involving aliens or even time warps. Bermuda Triangle in popular culture. Over the years, the Bermuda Triangle has become an integral part of popular culture, with books, movies, documentaries, and even conspiracy theories surrounding its enigmatic reputation. Despite the scientific explanations attempting to demystify the area, the Bermuda Triangle continues to be one of the most talked about and captivating subjects when it comes to unexplained mysteries. Next, famous disappearances. Case number 1, Flight 19, in 1945. In December 1945, 5 U. Navy TBM Avenger bombers, known as Flight 19, departed from Fort Lauderdale for a routine training mission. As the flight progressed, the pilots became increasingly disoriented, unable to recognize landmarks or get accurate compass readings. Radio transmissions from the lead pilot revealed growing confusion, with one chilling message: "We don't know where we are." Despite clear skies and good visibility, the entire squadron mysteriously disappeared over the Atlantic Ocean. The Navy immediately dispatched a large rescue plane, a Martin Mariner, to locate them. Shockingly, the rescue plane also vanished just 20 minutes into the search, with no distress signal sent. In total, 27 men were lost that day without a trace of wreckage or explanation ever found. Flight 19 remains one of the most haunting and unexplained disappearances in aviation history. Case number 2, USS Cyclops. In 1918, the USS Cyclops, a massive U. Navy cargo ship, set sail from Barbados to Baltimore. On board were over 300 crew members and a heavy load of manganese ore for wartime use. The ship was considered structurally sound and had not sent any distress signals. Mysteriously, it vanished without a trace, somewhere within the Bermuda Triangle. Extensive search operations were launched, but no wreckage or survivors were ever found. To this day, the disappearance of the USS Cyclops remains one of the U. Navy's greatest mysteries. Case number 3, the Witchcraft Yacht. In 1967, in December 1967, a 23-foot luxury yacht named Witchcraft set out from Miami with 2 men on board. Just 1 mile offshore, the boat's captain radioed the Coast Guard, reporting a strange collision or unknown issue. The call wasn't urgent, he simply requested assistance, saying they weren't in immediate danger. The Coast Guard arrived within minutes, expecting to find the boat still afloat. But to their shock, the witchcraft had vanished completely, no debris, no signs of trouble. Despite an extensive search, neither the boat nor the men were ever found, deepening the Bermuda Triangle mystery. Case number 4, Ellen Austin, in 1881. In 1881, the American ship Ellen Austin was sailing through the Atlantic when it encountered a mysterious derelict vessel. The ship was in perfect condition, fully stocked, sails intact, but no crew was aboard. Captain Baker of the Ellen Austin decided to place a prize crew on the ghost ship to sail it back. For 2 days, both ships traveled together through calm waters without issue. Suddenly, a thick fog separated the two vessels, and the derelict ship vanished without a trace. When it was finally found again, the entire prize crew had disappeared, just like the original crew. To this day, no one knows what happened aboard that ghostly vessel in the heart of the Bermuda Triangle. Case number 5, SS Marine Sulphur Queen in 1963. In February 1963, the SS Marine Sulphur Queen, a 524-foot tanker carrying molten sulfur, departed from Beaumont, Texas. With 39 crew members aboard, it was last heard from near the southern edge of the Bermuda Triangle. Shortly after, the vessel vanished without sending any distress signal. The Coast Guard launched an extensive search but found only a few bits of debris and life preservers. No wreckage or bodies were ever recovered, leaving the fate of the ship a complete mystery. The disappearance remains one of the most baffling maritime losses attributed to the Bermuda Triangle. Next, scientific theories regarding Bermuda Triangle. Theory 1. Methane gas theory. One prominent theory explaining the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is the methane gas theory. It suggests that large underwater explosions of methane gas, trapped in hydrate deposits on the ocean floor, could suddenly release massive bubbles of gas. These bubbles would significantly reduce the water's density, causing ships to lose buoyancy and sink almost instantly. This phenomenon could also impact aircraft, as the gas release might create air pockets or disrupt flight paths. Proponents argue that the region's geological conditions could make such events more likely in the Bermuda Triangle. Theory 2. Magnetic anomalies. Another theory surrounding the Bermuda Triangle is that it contains powerful magnetic anomalies. These irregular magnetic fields could disrupt the compasses and other navigation instruments used by ships and aircraft, causing them to veer off course. As a result, pilots and captains might unknowingly steer their vessels into dangerous waters or lose their way entirely. The interference could lead to confusion, disorientation, and even disappearances if navigational systems fail. Some believe these magnetic anomalies are unique to the Bermuda Triangle, making it a particularly hazardous area for travelers. Theory 3. Sudden storms and rogue waves. The Bermuda Triangle is known for its unpredictable weather patterns, with powerful storms that can form rapidly and without warning. Sudden, violent storms in the region can create treacherous conditions for both ships and aircraft. Additionally, rogue waves, which can reach heights of over 100 feet, have been reported in the area. These massive waves are strong enough to capsize ships or damage aircraft, contributing to the many mysterious disappearances in the triangle. Theory 4. Human error and equipment failure. Human error and equipment failure are often cited as contributing factors to the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle. Pilots and captains may make navigational mistakes, especially under stress or when faced with challenging conditions. These errors can be exacerbated by sudden weather changes or mechanical malfunctions, leading to accidents. In such a chaotic environment, a combination of human mistakes and faulty equipment can result in catastrophic outcomes, amplifying the risks in the region. Now let's discuss paranormal and mythical explanations. Explanation 1. Aliens and UFOs. One of the more extraordinary explanations for the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries is the involvement of aliens and UFOs. Eyewitnesses have frequently reported seeing unexplained lights in the sky, which some believe are extraterrestrial in origin. Additionally, there have been claims of strange aircraft that defy conventional flight patterns, further fueling speculation about alien activity in the area. Some even suggest that these mysterious encounters could involve alien abductions, with individuals or entire vessels vanishing without a trace. Explanation 2. Atlantis Theory. Another fascinating explanation for the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries is the Atlantis Theory. According to this idea, the legendary lost city of Atlantis lies hidden beneath the ocean in the heart of the triangle. Proponents believe that the ancient civilization possessed advanced technology, including powerful energy crystals, which could still be active today. These energy sources are thought to interfere with modern navigation equipment, causing ships and aircraft to malfunction or disappear in the region. Explanation. Time warps and portals. A popular explanation for the Bermuda Triangle's mysterious events is the theory of time warps and dimensional portals. Some witnesses have reported experiencing strange time distortions, where aircraft or ships disappear, only to reappear hours later, seemingly having lost time. This has led to speculation that the area may contain a rift or portal to another dimension. According to this theory, the Bermuda Triangle could act as a gateway, where time and space behave unpredictably, causing vessels to vanish or emerge from different timelines. Next, number of cases related to the Bermuda Triangle. It has long been the center of intrigue due to numerous mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft, with an estimated 1,000 or more incidents reported over the years. This area, roughly defined by points in Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has seen a significant number of both civilian and military vessels and aircraft vanish without a trace, fueling theories and speculations, including, and most famous disappearances occurred in 1918 when the USS Cyclops, a U. Navy ship, disappeared with 309 crew members aboard, despite one of the largest search efforts in U.S. history. In addition, famous event of 1945, a group of 5 U.S. Navy bombers, known as Flight 19, vanished during a training mission over the Bermuda Triangle. In 1972, a small private plane carrying a family of 4 disappeared while flying from the Bahamas to Florida. The aircraft, a twin-engine plane, lost contact with air traffic control and was never located. Extensive search efforts failed to find any wreckage or survivors. This case added to the growing list of mysterious disappearances in the region. Several other disappearances, such as the 1950 incident involving the City of Atlanta, an ocean liner, and the 1921 disappearance of the Carol A. Deering, a schooner, further contributed to the legend of the Bermuda Triangle. Each of these cases has been surrounded by mystery, with no conclusive evidence to explain the disappearances. The Bermuda Triangle is also known for the strange case of the Star Tiger and Star Ariel, 2 British aircraft that disappeared in 1948 and 1949, respectively, while on routine flights between the Azores and Bermuda. Neither of these aircraft was found, and the reason for their disappearances remains a subject of debate. Many of these cases, although shrouded in mystery, have been attributed to natural phenomena such as methane gas eruptions, magnetic anomalies, or severe weather conditions like storms and waterspouts. However, the sheer number of unexplained disappearances has kept the Bermuda Triangle in the public eye, leading to a variety of conspiracy theories, including those involving extraterrestrial activity or time warps. While some of these disappearances may have logical explanations, there are many cases reported time to time in history. There are numerous cases that never reported and became undescribed truth. Exposing the myth, questioners argue that the Bermuda Triangle is no more dangerous than any other heavily traveled part of the ocean. According to studies by the U.S. Coast Guard and Lloyd's of London, the area has no statistically significant rate of ship or plane disappearances. In fact, many alleged incidents occurred outside the triangle or were exaggerated by media. Still, The Bermuda Triangle remains a symbol of the unknown, whether due to nature's fury, human error, or forces beyond our comprehension. It continues to haunt the imagination. What do you believe? Myth, mystery, or misunderstood science? The Bermuda Triangle keeps its secrets for now. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe this channel, like and share this video.